Good morning to one and all present here. I welcome worthy Vice Chancellor, Sir, and Ma'am Vice Chancellor, all the officers of the university, teaching and non-teaching staff, and students of LUAS on 75th Independence Day celebration. Independence Day is marked as the occasion to celebrate the countless sacrifices and struggles our freedom fighters have made to make India free from British rule. Because of that, we are blessed to have right to speak and to be heard. So let's celebrate this freedom where mind is free from fear. Happy Independence Day to all. Now, I request worthy Vice Chancellor Sir for hoisting the national flag. Kindly rise in your seat, please. Thank you, sir. Now I request worthy Vice Chancellor Sir to kindly address the gathering on the occasion of Independence Day.
Good morning, everybody, and happy 75th Independence Day. This is a very solemn day for us because this day has been given to us by the countless sacrifices which have been made by our great leaders, freedom fighters. Because of their sacrifice, as she said, that we have got so many rights. Now, because of the sacrifices made by the heroes of our country, we are free, we have the right to speech and many other rights. But at the same time, we all have our responsibilities towards our nation, towards our institutions, so that we don't misuse our rights, we use them properly, for which the country had been under the British Empire for such a long time. This is the time we have to remember all the sacrifices which have been made, and from our side we should try to put in the maximum so that we can bring back the glory of our country. The country has seen, rather the world, the last 2 years had been a great suffering for all of us, for the humanity, because of the pandemic. And that pandemic has affected the working, the culture, and it has affected our lives to a larger extent. Because I feel not even a single family is left where one or someone they have lost because of this pandemic. In our university, I am very proud of my staff, whether it is teaching, non-teaching, students who work day in and out to maintain the normalcy in the university, whether it was clinics or it was form, whether they were taking online classes or offline exams, everybody worked very dedicatedly and sincerely. And I hope in years to come, we shall come out of this pandemic, the loss which the country or the university incurred because of our hard work, dedication, and sincerity, and collectiveness of all of us from all the phases of the university, that we work together and bring about a sea change so that we can say that Corona is something of a past. The university has regained its glory and it reaches to the maximum height. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now I request all of you to rise on your seats for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
At last, I would like to end this event with a note of gratefulness and bunch of thank you to all the organizing members for making this event a successful one. I invite you all for a cup of tea. Thank you.